Are you tired of making minimal profits in the trading market? Unlock the secrets of successful trading strategies and learn how to confidently navigate the market with ease. The journey to success starts now. Embrace the tools and insights that will empower you to make informed decisions. Together, we will cultivate your skills and mindset for a prosperous trading future. The path to mastery is waiting for you. Are you ready to seize the opportunity? In this video, we'll be sharing powerful strategies to help you boost your trading profits and achieve financial freedom. From risk management techniques to identifying lucrative trading opportunities, we'll cover it all. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this video is packed with actionable tips and insights to help you optimize your trading performance. So, what are you waiting for? Watch this video now and start maximizing your trading profits today. In 2025, embrace innovative strategies to enhance your trading performance. Explore diverse approaches for maximum gains. With diligence and research, adapt these strategies to your unique trading style, ensuring you remain ahead of the curve. Market corrections present unique opportunities for investors willing to buy low and navigate carefully through the fluctuations. Understanding trends is essential. By strategically using moving averages as indicators, investors can gain clarity in their trading decisions, ultimately leading to successful buying and selling. Embracing this knowledge equips traders to capitalize on market corrections and enhance their overall investment strategies effectively. To begin, calculate the key Fibonacci levels by measuring the price movement and determining significant high and low points. This will help traders identify the potential reversal points in the market, enhancing decision-making and ultimately improving trading outcomes. By combining Fibonacci levels with MACD crossover signals, traders can create a more robust strategy to navigate market fluctuations effectively. Understanding these strategies will help you maximize your trading potential and enhance your decision-making process in the ever-changing market landscape. Implement breakout trading. By effectively using the RSI to gauge market conditions and identifying breakouts from consolidation, traders can seize opportunities and protect their investments, building a robust trading strategy that adapts to market fluctuations and ultimately drives success. Trading effectively requires precision. Leverage support and resistance levels as strategic entry points to maximize potential gains. Utilize an economic calendar to navigate news events that may impact market dynamics. By combining these strategies, traders can enhance their decision-making, ensuring they are well-equipped to respond to market fluctuations effectively. Continuous learning and adaptation to new information solidify their approach, ultimately leading to greater success in their trading endeavors. To safeguard investments effectively, one should consider hedging with options or futures, combining strategies to mitigate potential losses. Engaging in range trading allows profits in stable markets. By implementing these strategies, investors can navigate turbulent market conditions with greater confidence, ultimately protecting their portfolios while seizing opportunities even during sideways trends. To effectively identify and trade chart patterns such as head and shoulders or double tops, always remember to incorporate proper risk management techniques. Practice stop loss. Mastering these skills will enhance your trading strategies, enabling you to make informed decisions while minimizing potential losses. By consistently applying risk management and recognizing key patterns, you can navigate the complexities of the market with confidence. Success in trading is not just luck, it's about preparation. In the end, mastering the market is a journey defined not by instant wealth. Consistent effort, a willingness to learn, and the unwavering commitment to hone one's skills over time. Only through diligence can true success be achieved. To gauge breakout strength, analyze volume alongside price movements, ensuring accuracy in trend identification and market predictions. Utilize Bollinger Bands to assess volatility. By integrating these methods, traders can enhance their decision-making and refine entry and exit points, improving overall trading performance in volatile markets. Embracing these strategies equips investors with the tools needed to navigate the complexities of the financial landscape effectively. Maximize opportunity during the London and New York session overlap, ensuring you draw trend lines for pinpointing market direction effectively. Trendline analysis helps identify trends. By strategically utilizing trend lines during the high liquidity periods, traders can enhance their decision-making process, leading to improved trading outcomes and success. Making informed decisions based on clear directional signals is crucial in navigating the complexities of the Forex market. To harness the power of Elliott wave theory, traders analyze market patterns and cycles, gaining insights for future movements. By integrating grid trading techniques during periods of consolidation, traders can capitalize on price fluctuations, maximizing their potential for profit. Mastering these strategies equips investors with the tools necessary for navigating both bullish and bearish phases in the market. Ultimately, combining these approaches fosters a well-rounded trading strategy. Identifying institutional price levels is vital. Applying VWAP alongside multiple time frame analysis enhances precision and aids effective trading strategies. By combining VWAP with multiple time frames, traders can discern significant price movements and align their strategies with market trends, ensuring they remain ahead in the competitive trading landscape. This method establishes a clearer understanding of where institutional activity influences price levels. To effectively utilize the Ichimoku cloud, observe key indicators for confirming the prevailing market trend. In addition, seek opportunities during low volatility by leveraging the Ichimoku cloud for trend confirmation. Combining it with mean reversion strategies during low volatility periods, traders can enhance their decision-making process and potentially improve their overall trading outcomes. Swing trading allows you to capitalize on market fluctuations while focusing on specific sectors. Position yourself strategically for optimal gains. By understanding market trends and implementing swing trading strategies, you can effectively navigate through economic changes, maximizing your investment returns and achieving financial growth. Embrace the technique, stay informed, and watch your opportunities unfold. To effectively monitor insider trading reports, focus on identifying strategic insights that can signal potential market movements. Utilize divergence in MACD. By analyzing the RSI alongside the MACD, you can further enhance your ability to pinpoint trend reversals, providing a more comprehensive view of market dynamics and making informed trading decisions. Investors can enhance their portfolio performance by utilizing cutting-edge algorithms that monitor market fluctuations effectively. This innovative approach maximizes opportunities. By implementing a volatility strategy, traders can anticipate market movements, facilitating timely decisions and optimizing their trades. This method, combined with automated tools, provides an edge in navigating the complexities of the financial landscape, ultimately leading to greater profits and success in trading endeavors. To identify trading opportunities, first analyze the correlation between the assets using historical data. Assess the 200-day moving average trend. By meticulously monitoring these trends, traders can effectively pinpoint entry and exit points, enhancing their potential for profit while mitigating risks associated with volatility in the market. Statistical arbitrage enables investors to identify pricing inefficiencies in the market effectively. It leverages quantitative models. By employing statistical arbitrage, investors can make more informed choices, navigate market volatility, potentially enhance their portfolio's performance over time, ultimately leading to smarter and more profitable investment strategies. By recognizing these seasonal patterns, traders can enhance their strategy and significantly improve their potential returns. Implementing effective risk management is crucial. By combining an understanding of seasonal patterns with trailing stops, traders can navigate market fluctuations effectively, ultimately securing their profits and achieving sustainable success in their trading endeavors. Pay close attention to the nuances in statements made by central banks to anticipate market movements. In conclusion, staying informed about central bank announcements. Incorporating fractals into your trading strategy are essential steps to navigate the complexities of currency trading successfully. Embrace these techniques to enhance your market predictions. To successfully implement the carry trade strategy, focus on identifying key Forex pairs that respond well to major news events. By monitoring economic releases and geopolitical developments, traders can exploit market volatility, capitalizing on swift price movements for quick profits while managing risks accordingly. Taking these strategic steps will maximize the potential of the carry trade in Forex markets. Begin by customizing the ADX settings to align with the asset's volatility, ensuring optimal measurement of trend strength. Select high liquidity assets. Utilizing the ADX indicator effectively can significantly enhance your trading strategy, allowing you to make informed decisions based on the strength of market trends. By focusing on high liquidity assets, you can minimize slippage and execute trades with greater confidence. Candlestick patterns reveal crucial reversal signals, particularly effective when analyzing different ETF sectors throughout various economic cycles. By understanding these patterns, traders can make more informed decisions, enhancing their ability to capitalize on market fluctuations and optimize their investments in cyclical sectors. Mastering candlestick analysis ultimately leads to greater success in navigating financial markets. Channel trading provides a structured approach, enabling traders to identify optimal moments for entering and exiting positions effectively. Geopolitical factors significantly influence commodity prices. By combining channel trading techniques with an awareness of geopolitical events, traders can navigate the market more adeptly, resulting in better informed decisions and potential profitability. Embracing both strategies enhances overall trading effectiveness and resilience in fluctuating markets. Market sentiment indicators reveal crucial insights into prevalent trading behaviors, allowing savvy investors to identify opportunities for contrarian trades. Utilizing pairs trading strategies can amplify these insights. Incorporating market sentiment into your trading strategies can significantly enhance long-term profitability, as understanding the dynamics between correlated assets allows traders to capitalize on price deviations while minimizing risk. Embrace these techniques for sustained success in the ever-changing market landscape. To capitalize on market trends, employ momentum strategies that align with your investment goals efficiently. Position trading allows you to benefit from substantial, long-term market movements. By integrating these strategies, you can navigate the complexities of trading IPOs effectively and enhance your potential for returns while managing risks prudently. Embrace the journey and remain adaptable to the ever-evolving market landscape. Use option spreads to capitalize on volatility changes. Follow hedge fund movements for strategic entry points. Utilize effective strategies to navigate market fluctuations. Leverage timing. Mastering event-driven trading in the realm of mergers and acquisitions can significantly enhance investment strategies, leading to more informed decisions and potentially increased profits for adept traders who embrace this dynamic financial landscape. Stay informed about market trends and developments to achieve sustained success in the dynamic world of trading. Profitability awaits those willing to learn and evolve. If you found this information valuable and want to discover even more powerful strategies, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps us bring you the best insights, and you won't want to miss what's coming next.